Hi everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a little temperature box. That's what I would call it. So, the temperature box is a very portable thing. So, in this project, the two main things we're going to be using are an LCD and a temperature sensor, which kind of looks like a transistor. So for this project, of course, you'll need these two things. You'll need a breadboard, an Arduino, of course, and we're going to make it portable, so you're going to need a battery pack with a battery inside. You're also going to need a potentiometer, also known as a pot, and just a bunch of wires. So, alright, we have everything we need. Let's get started. So, since we're making this portable, we're gonna actually not want to put this on just on the breadboard, but we're gonna use female to male wires. You see? And then the first step is to wire everything up. So we're gonna treat this side. If you look at this side, we're gonna treat that side as pin 1, and that side is pin 16. So using those things, actually, I meant this is pin 1 and this is pin 16. So pin 1 and pin 16, they're gonna both connect to ground. So let's just take whatever color wire and plug it into the blue terminal. Connect the ends. And then the second step is to wire up VCC. So the second pin and the 15th pin are gonna be VCC. So that means red terminal. Once we've got that, we're going to do the third pin, which actually goes to the potentiometer. So I'm going to take out the potentiometer, which is clogged up with a bunch of wires right now. And the yellow wire is going to connect to pin 3 of the LCD. And then the red goes to VCC on the breadboard, and the black goes to ground. Like that. And then the next step is to wire up pin 4. And pin 4 is one of them that actually goes to the Arduino. So let's go ahead, and that one goes to pin 12. So let's take pin 4, wire that to pin 12 on the Arduino. And then take the next pin, which is pin 5, and pin 5 goes to ground. Pin 6 goes to pin 11 on the Arduino. And then we're going to leave pin 7 through 8, 9, 10 blank. And then pin 11, which will go, and pin 11, it's going to go to pin 5. So let's put that there. Pin 12 on the LCD goes to pin 4. And so on until 2. And most of the spaces will be taken up. So that's a female to female. We only want female to male. So that, and then we have one more for the LCD. The last step for the LCD is to take the 5 volts on the Arduino and ground and hook them up to the positive and negative terminals. So let's do that. Find the male to male. See if I can find one in all this junk. That one. So that one's for ground. And then we are basically done with the LCD. The next step is to wire up the temperature sensor. But let's first test out the LCD and see if it's working or not. So now we're going to upload the code. So you can just open up Arduino as usual. And then we're going to go to File, Examples, and then we're going to go to Libraries and select Liquid Crystal. We're going to do Hello World. And then we already connected everything like this, so we're just going to hit upload and see what you get. So now, look at the LCD. It's saying Hello World and it's counting all the way from 1 to whatever time you want to stop it. And you can change the brightness along with this potentiometer. So this is success. The next step is putting in the temperature sensor. I'll provide the code in the link below. So now we're going to go ahead and upload this code that I have. It's called TMP36, and I will list the code in the description below. So we are going to upload this code, so you can hit the upload button, and then go ahead and see what happens. So with the temperature sensor, it's going to be a little bit easier and like a walk in the park. So the left side, or the right side I would say, goes to ground. So let's make that go to ground. And the right side, or the left side I meant, would go to VCC. And the middle side goes to the analog pin. So let's plug that in. And then the next pin, or the last one I would say. Sorry. So that fell over. So we are going to take the temperature sensor, get the middle pin, and plug that into analog pin A0. There we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and upload the code. So now we have it working, but we're not gonna put this just on a breadboard. So that's when we are going to have this box. I already pre-cut everything. So you're gonna have a 1 inch by something, I believe, and for the LCD, a potentiometer hole, and a hole for the temperature sensor. And at the back, you're gonna need a hole for the power jack. So let's go ahead and put everything in. So you would just put everything in this box. It's not, it was just from an Arduino kit, but it will do. So here is the finished box. Now all we have to do is turn it on. There we go. Put your hand on this, and it goes up. And we can also turn it off. And we can adjust the brightness. So we've made a perfect thing that I really love. So we are going to, this is a finished product. In fact, I made this for one reason, and that was for Mother's Day, because Mother's Day was on Sunday, I believe. So I just decided to hastily build this little thing. It was a really pleasant experience. especially the first time using a temperature sensor. So if you have any questions, just put them in the comments down below. And I mean down below, right down below. And you can email me too if you want to be more personal. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you see you in my other videos. Bye!